Brush your teeth. Brushy, brushy. No. You don't put it in your ear. Let me clean it off. Okay, here. You can have it back, but you don't clean your ears with it. Sorry, but what did you never have done that before? What's going on with that? Say brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Yeah. Are you done? Can I have the toothbrush? Okay. I guess you're not done. There you go. Woo. You brush your teeth a long time. Today brushing